Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of little things here. I'm going to trim off some of those leaves over there so I can get some mulch in there. Now I'm going to mulch around here, and then I'm going to mulch these plants. But I go get my scissors. I forgot them. Probably should have trimmed all these off back in the fall when there was no flowers, but the flowers are doing good. I might cut off the dead ones. But for now, I want to get some of this cut off so I can mulch around them and there won't be any leaves underneath the mulch. So let me just do some of this pruning here. Just going to come right on around here. Cut off what's on the ground. I don't want it hanging on the ground in the front. And then in the winter time, I might come back and do a little bit more. We want to get all this off the ground. It's been years since I've done this. Look there, there's aloe plants down there. Aloe plants. I'm just going to trim this a little bit, not a whole lot. I know a lot of you are going to be screaming at me, don't do that, don't do that. But I got to do it. Makes them look a little better. It will probably make them grow a little better. Probably make them have more flowers. See, aloe plants are good for a lot of things. You can actually eat aloe. It's good for burns if you get a burn. Stuff like that. So, I think that's about all I'm going to do for now on this. Okay, now I'm going to mulch all this. Okay. So that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to tackle these few plants here. See if I can't get them to stay perked up here a little bit with some mulch. Because my cucumber and squash, they don't like it. Whatever's going on. So let me just see if I can put some around here. Keep the dirt from drying out so much. That's looking pretty good. I'm gonna bring the camera over here. So I got that one done. Got that one done. Now I'm going to do that one. The trick is not to cover up the leaves. Don't cover up the leaves. I know some of you are saying, why are you using that red mulch? Well, I don't know. They had rubber mulch. I didn't want that. They had some black and white stuff, which I don't know what it was, so I didn't want that. I wanted something to help this stay moist, and this seemed to be pretty good to me. That's pretty good. Now I got to get these tomatoes and bell peppers. We're just going to mulch around them real easy. Nice and gentle. Some of those leaves that are hanging down, like this right here, don't have any flowers on it or anything, so I'm just going to cut them back to get them out of my way. Some of these over here. Now in the past I never trimmed any of my plants, but I see everybody doing it, and so I figure I would do it too. They've got some excellent looking plants. I hope it don't set them back too much. But don't cut the suckers and don't cut the flowers. Don't trim the bell peppers, I've been told. I'm not going to trim these. They need to come up a little bit more. So I know one thing, it's warm out here. So let's see if we can't get some mulch in here. There you go. Now I gotta do these. Get some mulch on these babies. Are they looking better already? You say? I think that's pretty good. I gotta do this one. Well, I'm going to water everything a little bit one more time. Just a little bit. I'm going to wet down the mulch in here. See if that helps these. I don't know if they're getting too much sun or what. If you know about a squash and zucchini, or squash and what's this, cucumbers? I mean, I thought it said full sun, but I've always had them out in the full sun. But they're drying up awful fast. I don't know why. I'll wet these tomatoes down good. I'm just wetting the mulch down now. Yeah, I know I'm watering some of the leaves, but just trying to get the mulch wet and let the water go down under it. And in that way, it will keep my fertilizer and my dirt underneath the mulch kind of damp, and keep feeding these plants, baby. Keep feeding them. Yeah. That's the ticket. So I'm going to keep watering these for a few minutes. You guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to watch some of these other videos that I've put up. And you guys, I'll have another video for you real soon. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Oh my goodness, I got to get more plants.